Solids. Solids are a form of matter whose atoms form a fixed structure. Nuclei, with their protons and neutrons, are locked into position. They are classified as either conductors, insulators, or semiconductors. In conductors, some electrons are free to move through the solid and are not bound to any specific atom. Insulators, on the other hand, the electrons are bound. They can move short distances, but much less than the electrons in a conductor. Semiconductors, as you might guess from the name, act as either conductors or insulators, and semiconductors are the basis of transistors, which are the basis of our cell phones, computers, and other such devices. Conductors. In conductors, that's where the electrons are mobile and they can move freely throughout the solid. Here's some examples. Here's some copper wiring. Here's some transmission lines. See them coming up here. Here's a transmission tower. And gold. Gold is a very good conductor. Insulators are materials that have strongly bound electrons that can move only short distances within the solid. They have different levels of insulation capabilities. For example, a glass is an insulator, balloons are insulators, and then a very strong insulator is right here. This is a ceramic insulator for electric lines for a railway system. The wires that carry the electricity overhead frequently don't have a lot of insulation. They depend on the air. However, when they touch a pole that's holding them, they need an insulator between the pole and the wire to prevent the electricity from going down the pole to where you might be standing. And that's what this does right here. This will prevent the flow of electricity from the wires down to the pole.